Hello 8th graders and welcome to your English instructional launch for week 32. This week our objective is to review the final project for This I Believe. So we're going to revisit and review checkpoint 1, introduce checkpoint 2, and preview checkpoint 3 to get to the final product. If you remember from last week's video, the final product is going to be a book reflection on the story, the novel, Tuesdays with Morrie. And you're going to find out what is meaningful to you about this novel. And you're also going to write an essay, called the This I Believe essay, about key things in your life, about your identity, and explain how these three experiences have affected you. So the first thing is the reading journal. And as usual, you do not have to fill out everything in the checkpoint, but as we looked at this last week, what is that reading journal? Okay, we're talking about major themes in the novel. The thing is, where do you find the novel since it's not here in Summit? Well, you've got to find it in the Google Classroom. So let's go back and find it. Okay, so back into the Google Classroom for this English course. Here's the stream, here's the classmates. We go to the About page for materials that you might need. And you'll see that I've added in here a PDF of the whole novel, so you can read the whole novel. You can also watch the movie. This is on YouTube, the whole movie of Tuesdays with Morrie. There's also one where the author, Mitch Albom, reads the book to you so you can listen to it, an audiobook. And I've included some Spark notes in your research about Tuesdays with Morrie. So again, the reading journal is to help you organize your thoughts as you're getting ready to write about this book. The second checkpoint is brainstorming your ideas of things that are meaningful to you. So there'll be a graphic organizer when you open up brainstorming, how to organize your thoughts, get ready for that essay. So this is about creating a life map and a relationship chart, and to do some free writing to get your ideas down. Okay, this is already laid out for you, but I have seen that some people have turned in some life maps. Here's some examples and a place for you to insert your own picture. This is really a good idea to do to help you organize your thoughts and to write. And then there's one that's called a relationship chart. Think of the people in your lives that have affected you. So now let's preview the outline to help you get your essay together. We look it up. There's going to be another graphic organizer to help you understand what are your core beliefs and values that you hold in your life. Okay, yes, there is reading, but this helps you understand what you're trying to shoot for is a level 5 for an A, a level 4 is more like a B, a level 3 is a C. So you're really going to try to get your essay to be the best it can be to a level 5 for 8th grade. So you're going to include these things in your writing. Okay, so I want you to know that the focus on the Finnish competition is still in full swing. There are some people that are going to be receiving Sheets gift cards in the mail for learners who are most improved, because it is working. 8th grade has pulled ahead of the pack and is in the first position. So I hope you guys keep it there and keep working hard. I hope that you are aware that this is PSSA week, that many of our learners will be testing for the PSSA, including 8th grade. If you have any questions, comments, anything that you need to know about where you're supposed to be, what time you're supposed to be there, you need to contact Mrs. Joan Dodge. She is the testing coordinator. The instructors do not put together the test. However, we will be proctoring them, so that means that we will not be available at a moment's notice on a Hangout. Maybe an email we can check later, because even after the test, the teachers have to go back to their regular duties. And so do you. So you will get credit for attendance, for attending a PSSA. However, make sure that you do your regular schoolwork on that day, also looking at your ConnectsU and anything else you need to do, because it is not an either-or situation, it's a both. Just as a learner in a regular brick-and-mortar school would go to school, take a test, but go on to other classes, it's the same thing for you in virtual school. You still are responsible for checking your ConnectsU. So learners, we are getting closer and closer to the finish line. Just 35 more laps to go before the end of the school year. Our hard deadline, as you know, is May 25th, when you need to get everything done. So make sure that you are using your time wisely and work every day. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and fill out the Google form at the end of this presentation.